Okay, so today's video, as title and thumbnail states, obviously, we are getting a full FMF on the 300 here, but it is not mine. This is my friend's bike here, and we're gonna swap the exhaust over because, well, I can't really tell you why, but we wanna have this video for when the exhaust for the 300 comes in. So we're gonna go ahead and get this exhaust slapped on here, get a few sound clips, and we'll see how it sounds. It's gonna be a lot better than this big old can, but definitely not as loud as this thing. Video definitely won't do it justice, but hey. As you can see, you can't hear my voice right now. It's pretty loud.
Do you smell that?
Sweet smell of America right there.
Hopefully. So you do a big board on it. Yeah, but
Just take off running.
I got the exhaust. I got the 140 there.
So, if you remember correctly from the 250, you got to take this bracket here and bend it out a bit.
Grab it right there.
All right, that's
You're
probably
grabbing
good.
it right there.
All right, so bend that bracket out so that way the exhaust doesn't hit on that thing, and then it should go on a lot smoother. All right, first startup. Ah yes, KLX300 with an exhaust. Exhaust on, let's go ahead and get some sound clips of this thing so you guys can really hear how it sounds. Remember, camera doesn't do it justice, but we'll do our best. I didn't think about how I'm going to carry the water.
Oh, you bought a water?
guys a quick summary about the FMF with the Mega Bomb here. So the Mega Bomb gives it a little bit more low-end torque as expected, like I had on my 250. Same setup. It gave it some good low-end torque. Of course, this is with no tuner. The Mega Bomb makes the exhaust sound a bit deeper than if you were to run a skinny header like the stock header. But as you can see, it sounds pretty good. The FMF, the thing I always liked about it is that it always sounded pretty crisp. It's probably one of the most crisp exhausts you can get for, I guess, any dirt bike, but the KLX especially. And with the exhaust, even without a tuner, it definitely feels like you pick up a few horsepower. 24, 25-ish, if I include any of those clutch attempts. That was in second gear, and it actually can get the wheel up better in second gear with the exhaust compared to stock, but I'm no expert, so. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it or find it useful, and of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here, and hopefully the parts come in soon. But, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'ma blow up.